Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo and if you're new here, welcome. So on today's video we're gonna be making quite something nice, amazing. It tastes, yeah, it's just delicious. Okay, so this is gonna be a creamy samp. So I hope you guys do enjoy the video and let's get into it. So in any case, before we get into it, guys, we have made it to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the support, and thank you guys for watching my videos. And if you haven't, and you're just hearing like, "What? You're at 1,000?" Hit that subscribe button and the like button on the video, and yeah, guys. So let's get into the video. So the very first thing that I did was I soaked this samp overnight. So I had mine in the fridge just in case I forget, which I did, and maybe let's say I got it to like 30 hours or so. But basically 24 hours is more than enough. So I just soaked it in some cold water and then I just left it overnight over a period of 30 hours on mine, but you can just do 24 or just overnight. And then right now what I'm doing was just rinsing them. So I just poured the water when I was soaking it, didn't do anything, and then now I was just rinsing it. So you can see like I've rinsed that like a few times. So I'm not looking for it to be like completely clear like when you're rinsing rice, but just enough that it's a lot more translucent. So I'm just transferring it into the pot, and that's about it. Then after that, on the stove I'm putting in the water I'm going to use. So guys, the measurements for everything, like how much of everything that I used, is gonna be in the description box below, so just look at that. And then here I'm adding in some salt. So just like when you're making rice, it's basically that's what I'm doing. So we're just gonna cook this until soft. So I cooked this thing on medium heat. So if your stove is up to 6, I cooked it on a 4. So depending on like your type of stove, you will see like the medium. So lean towards medium low and not medium high. So right there, you can see this is after the 4 hours. You can see that it looks like it has absorbed so much water into it, so much liquid. So that's what I wanted to look like, and I wanted it super soft, but I also wanted it to have some bit of liquid. If you do not want that, use less water, cook it for maybe like 3 hours, and you'll be fine. So right here I was just adding in my margarine. If you have butter, use butter. And I used white pepper and some salt, and then I used a like a stock cube. Now if you do not want to use like a stop cube, you can just leave it as is, but for me I felt like it added a little bit of that thing, so I'm just mixing everything, and then I'm using milk. Now if you do not have milk, you can use cream. Cream, it also has that thing with cream, right? But milk does the exact same thing. And then I'm just mixing everything, and then I'm gonna allow this to simmer for 30 minutes. Now that 30 minutes you should be checking, because this is milk, remember, and it can foam up and it can come up very fast, and it can also burn very easily. And also remember that by now the samp itself, the grains have cooked like a lot more. So you just cover it and allow it to simmer. Then when it's about to finish cooking, so let's say in the last 5 minutes, remove the lid and allow it to finish cooking, like without doing the whole condensation thing. Guys, if you like the video, please do like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also leave a comment. If there's any other recipe you want me to show you how to do, I will definitely show you. Yeah. And then you see, so the last 5 minutes, left it open, let it cook a little bit. So this is creamy. So mine is a lot more liquidy. If you do not want it to be this liquidy, cook it down a lot more. So you can add like another like 15 to 30 minutes, or with the lid open, just so that it evaporates a lot more. So right there I'm just dishing up. And guys, that is the recipe. It's simple, it takes a long time, but it's simple, it's easy. I hope you guys do like it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and comment and share the video with other people. And I thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye.